This question may look hard on its face, but it doesn't have to be. Start by looking at these statements. Do you see that each statement implies the other, right? If we know the area of a circle, we could infer the circumference of that circle, and vice versa. If we knew the circumference of a circle, we can find the area of that circle. If you see that, you can eliminate answer choices A, B, and C without even reading the question. And I go into the reasoning behind that in section 2 of my book, which you can actually read for free on quantreasoning.com. Now, here's how I think about this diagram, which they didn't provide, by the way, so I just have to visualize this. And here's what I'm wondering. If I have a circle and I know the parameters of that circle, right, because each of the statements does tell me on its own what that circle looks like. I know exactly how to draw it. Then I ask myself, how many different sized squares can you inscribe in a given circle? Like, can you imagine having squares of different sizes inscribed in the same circle? I could have rectangles that have different areas inscribed in one circle. But when I'm trying to inscribe a square in a circle, there's only one unique sized square that can be inscribed in any given circle. And therefore, I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice D and move on to the next question. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.